welcome to Wacky Wednesdays, where everyone has a chance to show off their car mods. And here's this week's winner.
Rev up your engines. Oh, it's a diesel. The Toyota Innova was launched last 2004, replacing its old brother, the Toyota Revo. It's about 4.5 meters long and 1.7 meters wide, and it can also seat 7 passengers. What's great about this vehicle is that it has the IMV platform made by Toyota. That means it shares the same engine, chassis, and even parts with its brothers, the Toyota Hilux and Toyota Fortuner, making my Innova beater friendly. Back when I was younger, we used this car as a daily from home to school. Now it's around 12 years and it has 100,000 miles in it. I can't believe it still runs. We changed parts in the engine, the radiator also blew up, and also the battery died, the starter, the fuel filters, but I can't believe it still runs. We also had various accidents with this car. Don't let looks deceive you. As you can see, the car looks pretty clean at the back, but this car has been through so much punishment. There was like a samurai slice at the back of the car, somewhere around here. Then the car also got rear-ended twice. That was on the left side right here. This big white SUV just comes along and rams this part of my car. I was like, why? But good thing he had insurance. So before going in front, I'm gonna go tell you some design features of the car. So here you can see we have 16-inch rims. Looks pretty nice. It's on drum brakes, and it's D4D, signifying that it's diesel. And it's weird here, look at this. I have front Yokohama tires, then back Aspect tires. Oh wait, that's Philippine jeepney right there. Very nice. As you can see, there's the steering wheel. Pretty nice. And you have a two-tone black beige interior going out with some fake wooden accents as well. Has your standard analog radio and climate control knobs, and you have your cup holders there, and as well as down there and on the left side too. It sports a 4-speed automatic transmission and your standard handbrake. And while you zoom back right there, it looks quite relaxing. And of course from the back there's your climate control. Pull this folds down, then you go pull this black lever here, opens it up. Then as you can see, the third row seats is only for children, but it has a cup holder there. It's pretty neat. Toyota Innova, and right off the bat you can see that it looks like a diesel engine. It sports a 2.5 liter inline direct injected turbocharged diesel engine. In its output, it's about 100 horsepower and 200 newton meters of torque. Quite slow, but it's okay for Philippine roads. One of the major problems in these engines in the Philippines is not really the engine itself, but the fuel filter. This is because the Philippine fuel is very dirty, and that's why we had that replaced so much times. And since this is a 100,000 mile car, we also changed the batteries, and the turbocharger is also a little bit rusted already, as well as radiator. We changed this one last year because it blew up on us. Come on, Toyota. And as you can see in the cavities of the car, there's this oil leaks right there, and also at the back of the injectors there's some spillage as well, but that doesn't matter to this car because it still keeps on running. And you can see on top there's also insulators, which is kind of cool for a car its age in the country. So right now let's see it start. But I also have another beater car. Its buddy is an old Corolla, but if you guys want to see it, you can ask Scotty. I can feature it here as well. Thank you so much, guys.
Well, that was this week's video, and to have your car mod shown on my channel here, check this out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.